CRC is swinging. This thing is moving like an absolute low flow, and this is one of the bigger floats that we have. Alpha X. All right. Alpha X-Ray Lima AXL also trading near highs. Yeah, I don't know. Like, volume's a little sporadic in the name, so just be careful. But it's an earnings play. Now the tape is good. Tape is good. All right. I'm gonna be moving our stop on CRC up here in a bit. CHFS back above 150, looking to retest the highs of the day. We'd like to see it go. Now that they made this maneuver to go up and to retest, we want to see that retest. Actually, we want to see that break, but we want to see that actual retest get to that price level. AXL, it looks good. The float's 111 million. I'm a little hesitant.